Okay, hello everybody, and welcome to another building tutorial. So, we are not going to be doing Pet World today. Actually, what we're going to be doing is the Spooky Mansion build. Or, I don't think I told you guys about this build, but yeah, we're going to do that build. So, it's going to be creative, peaceful. I'm going to do it on a flat world. And you're probably gonna want it on Taylor stream. I'm just making this up right now, guys, because I just meh. I don't know. Uh, I'm kind of just figuring it out. So yeah. We're gonna need flat world. And then some of these should be free. If not, then sorry, but we're gonna need a scary furniture add-on. If you don't have it, don't worry. I'll show you some other things that you can do. And then you'll need another furniture mod add-on. There. Then you'll need probably all the wool add-on. I think those should all be free. I don't know. If they're not, I'm sorry, but I don't know. If it's not free, I'm sorry, but yeah. But for this, since they might not be free, I'm gonna remove all of them, and we'll just do it without that. So yeah. But that's, if you want that, then that would be if you want it being like an active map where you can actually play in it. But today we're just gonna build it. So yeah. Create. Just hit create anyways. Okay. So now so got new update. No wait. We're gonna want spruce planks, dark oak planks. Yes, dark oak planks. Actually, wait. Keep that. We might change it to oak. I don't know, but just keep the dark oak planks for now. It's a spooky mansion, so yeah. So yeah, today we're just gonna build it. If you have any add-ons on your own, then you can definitely do that. So yeah. Sorry guys. We'll just do the main lobby today, cause it's pretty hard already. Or not hard, but So we're gonna place 3 spruce planks right here, and then spruce stairs. Sorry, I should have said spruce stairs after that. And yeah. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. So if we want middle here to be the door, which you gotta get spruce door. Sorry. There. We're gonna need it to be do it like that, guys. Sorry. And we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, no. 9, 10, 11. So you'll want 11 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now it should look like that. if you want, you could put some, where is it? Smooth stone down here. Why? Because it looks fancy. Like, you still want the house to look good. Like, it's not all spooky, you know? So yeah, you got that now. So now, yeah, you're gonna want to, we're gonna do it all the way to 5 blocks. I'll see if I can do some edits here to see where, like, I could just place all the walls in and see if I can cut it. If I can't, I don't know. But I'm just gonna go silent for this part. So yeah, I might see you there, guys. I don't know. I might start editing here. There's an editor on this laptop. I might try it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna go silent. Oh, wait. Before I go. Hold on. You are gonna want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 blocks over here going out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, I almost forgot. Sorry guys, I'm forgetting a lot. Activate cheats always day. There, and now you're just gonna want to connect it. Right here. There. And boom. That's how big your lobby should be. Sorry, it's a little big. Maybe we can make it a little smaller. So yeah. But make sure it's still middleized. Okay, what I mean by middleized is where there's like a middle and then like the rest of the parts are equal. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on that one. See? So it should be middleized. If you want, you can go 2 more down. I probably do that. Now. There. Now it's much smaller and also middleized. Hold on, is it middleized? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, middleized is not a word, I just use it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, it's not middleized. Okay. Sorry, guys. There. Now. Okay. Now we should be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm getting angry now. How did I miss that? Oh my goodness. Okay, now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally. Okay. Sorry guys, that took so long. Also, you guys don't have to take out all this floor. Since the door's up here, because of the stairs, all you want to do is this. Fill in the floor like that. So yeah, it's very easy. And let's fill that. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can edit this out to where all the walls are already placed. And I see you there then. Okay, we're back. And oh, it is snowing. I almost forgot to say, turn off, where is it? Oh, that's world options. Turn off weather cycle if you don't want that stuff. And then turn it to weather clear. And then yeah, weather cycle should be off now. Yeah, I don't really like it because then it snows and there's a bunch of snow around my build and it's hard to build with it. Well, it's not that hard, but you know, it's just a little like unsuiting for the area. So yeah, we're back over here. And yeah, basically, as you can see, you're gonna go up the stairs and open the door to get in, and it's this. So basically, what you want to do is not that, of course. What you want to do is basically, you don't want to break the grass. Oh my gosh. Like, okay. I'm sorry for my stuttering. I'm so sorry. But what you want to do is just fill in the ground. Or not fill in the ground, but like, what you want to do is just place these planks on here. Because that means now, you don't have to break a bunch of grass to then fill in this. So it's basically really easy. Why did that not place? There. Editing, because like usually most of my videos are just like no edits. Okay. Okay, and we're back. So here we are. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And yeah, that's basically what you wanted to do. But then for like the top, we're gonna want this block, which is basically darker. So yeah. Why is it not also the floor? Because I don't know. It's just like this, pretty much. So yeah, you're just gonna want to fill in the roof real quick. I probably won't edit this out because I'm doing a lot of edits. Cause yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, I made this place pretty big. Oh yeah, you're gonna want some lanterns, like lanterns and torches. So first just put some torches over here. Nope. Or yes. Here. Over here. And over here. Oh. There. So yeah. Then you want to put some lanterns like here, 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 here. Then you want to continue making this. Now with it lit up, I am not. I'm sorry. My fingers are not going correct right now. there. And now this is the last part. Done. So yeah, also gonna want to put some lanterns right here, here, there. Definitely looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, you don't need this door. So yeah, it's pretty cool, right? So yeah, of course, yeah. First off, what you want to do, like, by the way, this could be like a hide and seek map, maybe. I don't know. You can do whatever you want with this map when you're done, like, building with it. Sorry, I keep getting close to it. So now, get the dark oak planks here. And then you want some dark oak slabs. Now, I think you can tell where I'm going with it. This. If you can't, then yeah. I'm building a roof. So the roof, basically here, let me show you. It's gonna be very hard to see with it being like this. Unless you do it like this, then it's way easier. Yeah, this is here. Be careful of doing that. So yeah, basically what you just want to do is like just place a bunch of slabs like that, and then if you don't want to do this for the slabs, then you can just use full blocks. And basically what you want to do is do it all around until it gets to the very top, where it's like 2 points or 1 point, I don't know. But yeah, you see what I'm doing here? You should. So yeah, I'll see you soon then. Maybe. I don't know. This will probably be an edit. But yeah. And we're back. So yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. If you got this, like, roof, looks super good. Oh yeah, and you can also do this. Or not that. There. Or like this, if you wanted to. It looks good for me. So yeah. Now it's time to do the interior. And you can probably put that away for now. So yeah. First off, we're gonna want some benches. Because there's a lot of space to do interior. There. Okay, still recording. And yeah, first off here, you're gonna need a door now. Put a door there. Put a door over here. And then finally, put 2 doors right here. Now it might be a little off, but that's fine. That's fine. So now we will probably finish the interior tomorrow, but here's just a little bit of interior. You're gonna want an oak sign because then if you don't, it's gonna be barely visible. You're gonna want to put library there. And yeah, then you're gonna want to get some bookshelves. Also guys, I will do a tutorial to add on one. Now you want to get some books. Where are the books? There. Oh, didn't need to do that. Just place them however. Nope. Like that. Some can have all of them in it. Some can have none, or just a few. Some can have one. Some can have anything. But I like to do it like that, like that, like this one can be full. You guys can do whatever you want, but if you want to go exactly what I'm doing, go ahead. Here, I'll show you like this. There. And you can pause it now if you want to. Okay. There you go. Just do whatever there. And yeah, what else? Oh yeah, and get some chests and put right here. Cause right here, I like to do it so like it's showing you what's gonna be in the library and so on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see if I can edit some of this stuff out. If you guys just see the intermissions. Sorry, it's my first time editing, and I probably couldn't get it to edit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Go see my Pet World Part 1 video over here. Probably somewhere right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. The left over here, where my face is pointing. Anyways, bye guys.